Shubor nakashlem jong Nongsan Hima.
Ka Ophis u District Sports Officer West China Hills ringkat ka Ophis u Block Development Officer Thalas Kain Block. Kelas sedang yang Rynsan pun isap jong kun samla yang kebelatip kum ke Block Level Chief Minister Youth Engagement Program Arja Arpusan. Ya kini Rynsan pun isap ba arsengi la Pynlong hakyang nang ba Government College Auditorium Jowai. Hak live ho tarik ber live hui tarik risau da kajing tumpu ban penshlo da kajing shimta shitham jong ki samla lingba ki kam ba pher bala Pynlong hak ini ki arsengi. Shibenta jong kene ke program la Pynlong ru kajing pensot ho upat ba hak ba uba Lambor Suchan Skill Development Officer West China Hills MSSDS ula penpaw kajing shim kya jong ka sarkar jela berang ya chakmat ban penkup bor bat kentiu ya ki samla hak asngi sedang ki samla ki le shibenta kajing ko ba pher ke bagenthop na du kajing ko rai tenrai jing drodur ki jing tho khana ki poitri bat kajing le kai pen bernya ka pen i kajing rius pa ha kolshor bat ki sap bashlur jong ki samla shwa ya kani uba krubok pasa District Sports Officer West China Hills ulai khuble ya baro ki samla ki bla shimkya bane shimenta ha ki jing ko ba arsengi.
She's just pretending. Ooh, that old woman. Just to take her sleeping like that. Why you bother that much? Yeah, I'm not bother that much. I'll just sitting.
Mom, are you a husband of Mrs. Margaret?
Yes, doctor. What happened?
Oh, so sorry to tell you
Mom.
about her. She's suffering from congestive heart failure.
Huh?